The JCB Backhoe Loader was first built in the 1950s. These four-wheel drive machines are designed to operate in tight urban spaces and restricted construction sites. They are powerful and can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. They are also very highly manoeuvrable and can complete tight turning circles. The backhoe loader is capable of completing a variety of tasks depending on the attachments being used. This machine is using shovel and hammer drill attachments. Other attachments available include planers and sweepers. The operator is demonstrating the backhoe loader's capability by using the shovel to grab and clear debris from the road to make way for tarmac paving work. These machines are becoming increasingly more compact, energy efficient and easier to operate. Because they are fast and can be used on the road to travel between sites, they don't need to be transported by lorry. You can U-turn these machines on most single carriageways.